Hello and welcome back again to our channel, Tutoring Made Easy. In today's video, we're going to look at what ratios are. All right. Now, if you want to define ratios, it simply means comparing things. We're comparing two or more things together, right? So comparing things. All right. Now, the next thing is, what is a symbol? How are we able to identify what a ratio is? And to identify a ratio, we use this sign here, like a colon sign, which means is to. It means is to. All right. 2:3 in that manner. Now let's take an example, a quick example. Now let's say that we have nine boys to seven girls in a class. All right, 9 boys to 7 girls in a class. How are we going to represent this in a ratio? It's simply 9, the number 9 is to symbol, and then you put 7 there. 9:7, and we can rewrite every ratio as a fraction. So 9:7 is the same as 9/7. 9/7. Now let me quickly introduce you to something called an equivalent ratio. An equivalent ratio, for example, you have 2:3. We can say this ratio is equivalent to 4:6. How do we know that? You can see that if we divide here by 2 and divide the same number here by 2, we're actually going to get 2:3, meaning that 2:3 is the same as 4:6. If we take 2:5, we can say that is the same as 10:25. Multiply by 5. Multiply this by 5. Multiply this by 5, and we're going to get that. Or we divide this by 5. Divide this by 5. We're going to get that. All right. I hope it helps. In our next videos, I'm going to give you more examples on how ratios work. I hope this helps. Thank you, and please subscribe.